everyone, and welcome back to Gentle Talks channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again.
Hi, Paul. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look very refreshed today.
I am. I slept very well last night, and I'm excited for today's topic.
Ooh, yes. Today's topic is super useful.
It is. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button. And don't forget to share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Exactly. It helps us so much.
All right, Emma. What are we talking about today?
Today, our topic is talking about winter vacation.
Ooh, I love winter vacation.
Me too. Winter feels cozy.
Yes, cold outside, warm inside.
Hot drinks, blankets, movies.
And holidays.
Exactly. So today we will help everyone talk about their winter vacation in English.
Very useful for small talk.
Yes, because people often ask, "How was your vacation?"
Or, what did you do over the holidays?
So let's practice how to answer those questions.
Emma, can I ask you first?
Of course.
So, Emma, how was your winter vacation?
It was really nice and relaxing.
Oh, good. Where did you go?
I didn't travel far. I stayed in my hometown with my family.
That sounds lovely.
Yes, it was simple but special.
What did you do there?
I spent a lot of time with my parents and my sister.
Family time is the best during winter.
I agree. We cooked together and watched movies at night.
What kind of movies?
Mostly funny movies. We laughed a lot.
That's perfect. Laughter is good for the heart.
It really is.
Did you do anything outside?
Yes, one day it snowed.
Ooh,
So we went outside and built a snowman.
no way. Really?
Yes, it was small and a little funny looking.
Did you give the snowman a name?
Yes, we called him Mr. Snowy.
That is adorable.
What about you, Paul? How was your winter vacation?
Mine was fun and a little busy.
Oh, really? What did you do?
I traveled to the mountains with my friends.
Wow, that sounds exciting.
Yeah, we rented a small cabin.
A cabin in the mountains sounds like a movie.
It felt like a movie. There was snow everywhere.
Did you go skiing?
I tried, but I'm not very good.
Oh no, did you fall?
Yes, many times.
Oh, Paul.
I spent more time on the snow than on my skis.
But was it still fun?
Yes, very fun. We laughed all day.
That's what matters.
At night, we sat by the fire and drank hot chocolate.
That sounds so cozy.
It really was. We talked for hours.
About what?
Life, work, dreams, and funny old memories.
Those talks are the best.
Yes, winter makes people slow down and connect.
That's true.
Emma, do you usually travel during winter vacation?
Sometimes, but this year I wanted quiet time.
That's important too.
Yes, I slept more, read books, and rested.
That sounds like a healthy vacation.
It was. I felt calm and happy.
Did you celebrate any holidays?
Yes, we celebrated Christmas.
What did you do for Christmas?
We decorated the house and had a big dinner.
What food did you eat?
Roasted chicken, vegetables, and cake for dessert.
Yum, I'm getting hungry.
Sorry.
Did you exchange gifts?
Yes, small gifts.
What did you get?
A warm scarf and a book.
Perfect winter gifts.
Yes, I use the scarf every day now.
That's sweet.
What about you? Did you celebrate anything?
Yes, we celebrated New Year's Eve in the cabin.
Oh, that must have been fun.
It was. We cooked dinner together.
Did you make any New Year's resolutions?
Yes, I said I would exercise more.
Classic resolution.
Yes, let's see if I really do it.
I believe in you.
Thank you. I need that support.
So, friends, these are great sentences you can use.
Like, I stayed home with my family.
I traveled to the mountains.
I relaxed and watched movies.
I spent time with friends.
Very simple, very natural.
You can also talk about the weather.
Yes, winter weather is a big topic.
You can say, it was very cold.
Or, it snowed a lot.
Or, the weather was beautiful and sunny.
Emma, what was the weather like during your vacation?
Mostly cold, but sunny during the day.
Nice winter weather.
Yes, perfect for walks.
Oh, did you go for walks?
Yes, my mom and I walked in the park.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. The trees looked beautiful with snow.
Winter can be very pretty.
Yes, like a painting.
Did you take photos?
So many photos.
Of course.
What was your favorite moment of your vacation?
Good question. I think my favorite moment was watching the sunset in the mountains.
Oh, wow.
The sky was pink and orange, and everything was quiet.
That sounds magical.
It really was. I felt very peaceful.
Moments like that stay in your heart.
Yes, forever.
My favorite moment was sitting on the couch with my family, all of us laughing at a silly movie.
Simple moments are often the best.
I agree.
Did anything funny happen during your vacation?
Yes, my dad tried to ice skate.
Uh-oh.
He fell after 5 seconds.
Oh no.
He was okay, but we laughed so much.
Family memories like that are priceless.
They really are.
Friends, when you talk about vacation, you can also talk about feelings.
Yes, not just activities.
You can say, I felt happy.
I felt relaxed.
You can say, I felt excited.
Or even, I felt a little tired after traveling.
That's very natural English.
Vacations are not always perfect.
True, on my trip, one day the road was closed because of snow.
Oh no, what did you do?
We had to wait in the car for 2 hours.
That's a long time.
Yes, but we played music and told jokes.
So you made it fun.
We tried.
That's a good attitude.
So friends, remember, you can talk about good things and small problems.
That makes your story real.
Before we finish, Emma, how did your vacation make you feel overall?
It made me feel thankful.
That's beautiful.
I was thankful for my family, my home, and time to rest.
Winter vacation is a good time to slow down.
Yes, to rest your body and your mind.
And to connect with people you love.
Exactly.
All right, everyone. Today we practiced how to talk about winter vacation in simple English.
You can talk about where you went,
What you did,
who you spent time with.
and how you felt.
Try to talk about your own winter vacation out loud.
Even if it was simple, that's okay.
Every story matters.
Thanks for spending this cozy time with us.
We loved talking with you.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone. Stay warm and keep practicing.
Bye.